Chapter 4 More on Photoshop. Learning Objectives: Retouching Tools, Clone Stamp Tool, Smudge Tool, Blur Tool, Sharpen Tool, Color Replacement Tool. Introduction. Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing software which contains considerable number of tools which can be used to create, edit, and manipulate the pictures. Using this tool, you can edit the digital photographs by snipping, rescaling, and manipulating them. Retouching tools. Retouching tools are those tools which are used to remove all the imperfections from the pictures, like removing blemishes, scars, dark circles from under eye, pimples from the face, correcting color complexion, etc. There are various types of retouching tools in Photoshop, which includes Spot Healing Brush Tool, Healing Brush Tool, Patch Tool, Content Aware Move Tool. Spot Healing Brush Tool. Spot Healing Brush Tool is used to remove the unrequired spots and small objects from the pictures. Photoshop picks the sample from another part of the image, and when you use the Spot Healing Brush Tool to correct the problem area, it blends the pixels from sampled area with target area. The advantage of using this brush tool is that it does not require any source point. You simply click on the scars or blemishes to correct it, and this tool works out the rest for you. This is also considered as a texture replacement tool, which can replace the damaged and unwanted texture from the picture with the good texture from another area of the same image. It can be used to heal the dark spots, dark circles, blemishes, marks, or other elements from the image and creates a perfect picture in front of you. To use this tool, open a blank canvas and place an image on the canvas. Select Spot Healing Brush Tool from Tools bar. An option bar will be displayed just below the menu bar. Change the brush size to any size, say 45px. Now click and drag the mouse over the spot to heal it. You will get the perfect image. Healing Brush Tool. Healing Brush Tool performs the same task as Spot Healing Brush Tool, like to replace bad texture with good texture, remove scars, blemishes, dark spots, etc. But there is a difference between these two tools. In Spot Healing Brush Tool, you do not require to select the source point from where the tool picks the sample pixels. But in Healing Brush Tool, you need to specify the source point of a good texture that you want to use to replace the bad texture. To choose that source point, you can move the mouse pointer on a particular area and press Alt key plus left mouse button from the keyboard. It collects the sample pixels from that area and use it to paint the imperfect portion of an image. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Place an image on a canvas. Select Healing Brush Tool. Change the brush size to 32 from Options bar. Press Alt plus left mouse button to pick a color from the image. Click and drag the mouse over an image to heal the spots. Patch Tool. Patch tool is used for retouching and repairing photographs that are damaged. It can be used to fix any small or large part of an image. It can be done by selecting a patch from the image and put a patch on a particular area to hide it. This type of tool is useful in such cases where you want to hide or remove some unwanted elements from a picture, like spots, marks, blemishes, etc. It can also be used to create a duplicate of an object in a picture. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Place a picture on a canvas. Select Patch Tool. Go to Options bar. In the Choose a Patch mode, select Content Aware Patch mode. Click and drag the mouse to select the area to be replaced. Drag the selection to the area where you want to place the selected patch. You will notice that the selected area is replaced with a patch. Content Aware Move Tool. Content Aware Move Tool can be used to select an object and transfer it from one position to another in the same image or in another image. When the selected portion is moved, the background area is filled automatically with the existing background. In simple words, it is used to select and move a part of a picture. The image is recomposed and the hole left behind is filled with the background. To use Content Aware tool, follow the given steps. Place an image on the canvas. Select Content Aware Move tool. Click and drag the mouse to select the portion which you want to move, as shown in the figure. Drag the selected portion to some other place on the canvas and press Enter key. The left behind area will automatically be filled up with the matching surrounding as shown in figure. Clone Stamp tool. Clone Stamp tool is used to copy one area of an image to another area of an image. It copies the exact detail and color from one portion of an image to another area. It is mainly used when user wants to create a duplicate of an image. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Place an image on a canvas. Select the Clone Stamp tool. From option bar, select the type, size bigger, brush hardness and blend mode according to your requirements. To select the sampling area, press Alt plus left mouse button. Click and drag the mouse on the other area to draw the clone. Clone Sample tool. Smudge tool is used to mix and blend the colors of a picture to smudge. It picks the color of the place at which you click and then pushes that color through the rest of the stroke as you drag. It gives an effect of spreading the paint across the image like you drag the finger over wet paint. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Open the picture on a canvas. Select Smudge tool. An options bar appears from which you can select the brush size, hardness and other options. Click and drag the mouse over the area to smudge the image as shown in the given ahead figure. Blur tool. Blur tool is used to paint blur effect on the required portion of an image. It lowers the contrast between the affected pixels and making them appear vague. This tool is mainly used when you want to blur the background so that focus can go on the image in front and make the image more attractive. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Place an image on canvas. Select Blur tool. Select brush size, hardness, type, preset and other options from options bar. Click and drag the mouse over the area which you want to blur. Sharpen tool. Sharpen tool is used to sharpen the pixels of an image to increase focus and adds clarity. It increases the contrast between the pixels by lightening the light pixels and darkening the dark pixels. To use Sharpen tool, follow the given steps. Open an image in Canvas in Photoshop 2022. Select Sharpen tool. An option bar appears from which you can select the brush size, hardness and other options as you require. To sharpen the image, click and drag the mouse over the area and see the effect. Color Replacement tool. Color Replacement tool is used to replace the color of the selected object to any other color. For this, firstly you need to select the object and set the foreground color. The existing color of an object will be replaced with the selected foreground color using this tool. To use this tool, follow the given steps. Open a new canvas and place an image in it. Select Color Replacement tool. Click on the foreground color. A color picker dialog box appears on the screen. Select a new color. Change the cursor size to 60 px and the cursor changes its shape. Click and drag the pointer on the image and color your image as shown on the next page. Quick Backup. Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing software which contains considerable number of tools which can be used to create, edit and manipulate the pictures. Retouching tools are those tools which are used to remove all the imperfections from the pictures. Stop Healing Brush tool is used to remove the unrequired spots and small objects from the pictures. In Spot Healing Brush tool, you do not require to select the source point from where the tool picks the sample pixels. Patch tool is used for retouching and repairing photographs that are damaged. Content-aware move tool can be used to select an object and transfer it from one position to another in the same image or in another image. Clone stamp tool is used to copy one area of an image to another area of an image. Sharpen tool is used to sharpen the pixels of an image to increase focus and adds clarity.